ways to fight against that broad brush is if you are part of those communities calling that shit out. But that's my personal takeaway from it, and actually I'd love to know yours in the comments down below. Then on Tuesday we saw David Hogg's family home swatted. David Hogg, of course, a Parkland survivor and activist. Reportedly someone called the sheriff's office and said that there was a hostage situation at the house. According to the Broward County Sheriff's Office, a SWAT team then responded to the call. They cleared the home. Luckily at that time neither David nor his mother were home. Reportedly at that time they were in Washington D.C. to accept the Robert F. Kennedy Human Rights Award. And just a quick thing that I want to sound off with this story. There were so many places that covered this and called this a prank. Some places like Mashable went a little bit further, called it a dangerous prank. But let's get something straight. This is not a prank. This is a crime. Swatting is a crime. A crime that we've seen in the past year has resulted in a death. I don't care if you hate someone on the left. I don't care if you hate someone on the right. But to swat someone, you are a disgusting fucking individual. Not only are you doing something that could result in the death of the individual you're trying to prank, it's not a prank once again. You're putting law enforcement
sound off, sound off, sound off.